So what are we doing today?
You are doing an oil filter change for our Boxer.
I've never done this before, but if I can do it, anybody can. So what we got?
We have a service kit for a Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI, which is what we have here. And the reason we went with these guys, which are Ferguson of Sterling Limited, is they provide the full kit and match it against your VIN number, so we know it's the correct stuff. So it's got an oil filter, an air filter, a fuel filter, sump plug, and 7 litres of oil. The oil change requires 6.3 litres of oil.
Okay. And I have a little helper. You're helping me, Bailey. You're going to help me change the oil. This is scary.
It's fine.
I have a good teacher.
You have
So what's what?
that's the oil filter,
Okay.
and this is the diesel filter. Sorry, I meant a fuel filter. Yeah, it is a fuel filter. And we actually have also purchased the fuel filter removal kit. This is laser 5843. We'll probably video that later, but the fuel filter housing is made out of ABS or some sort of plastic, and it can get twisted if you don't use the correct kit. We also have a torque bar for doing the fuel filter, because don't want to over torque it as well. So that's that. That's the sump plug, and it also includes the washer for the oil. What was that? And in this box is the air filter. We'll show you that later as well. And in here we've got 7 litres of 5W30 fully synthetic.
So that's
oil.
a 5 litre one, and there's two
There's
1 litre ones
two
in
1
there
litres
as well.
in there. The capacity of our Peugeot Boxer is 6.3 litres, so we have all that. In fact, we can leave that out now. We can put this stuff away because we only want, today we're only doing the fuel, sorry, the
oil.
So the first thing to do is start the engine and get it up to temperature.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah, you can do that. And yeah, so we'll give it a few minutes to get up to temperature, and then we'll turn it off, undo the sump plug.
So
oh yeah,
why do we need to get it up to temperature? Is that the oil gets thinner or something?
no idea.
No idea, just got to put it up to temperature.
Someone on the internet will know. The other thing that I forgot to mention was we needed something to collect the dirty oil, and we have a 9 litre drain.
Yeah, it's part just tip the oil onto the road.
It has to be disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. So we'll use this one, and then we'll decant it into the original containers to take it to the recycling of our local dump.
Free charge, I expect. So I guess we need to start off by opening the bonnet.
Yeah, we do need to get into fill up the oil.
There's a
passenger
bonnet
side.
patch there. That's well hidden, isn't it?
It's on the passenger side door, quite easy to get to. Engine's running to bring it up to temperature. That's here.
Dead bug.
That's where the oil goes in. Turn the engine off while I do this, but never mind, it's fine. The sump plug is just there, and the oil filter is just there, so you can that's doable for home DIY, as long as you don't have any warranty to maintain. You've got to get cars coming on for 5 years old.
Yes. Although it's only done 12,000 miles, we don't really need to do the oil just yet. However, we are heading off to Europe, so...
Yeah, there's a My Peugeot app. Where's it going? Oh, there's a My Peugeot app that you can enter your vehicle details, and it's got the service schedule and what needs to be done. So it says in 6 years or 18,000 miles it's a 9-month service, or in minus 3 months 5 years or 18,000, which is where we are. Which means replace the fuel filter, the air filter and the passenger compartment filter. So we're going to do them, but first we're going to do the oil. The oil actually doesn't need done either at this stage, but we're going to do it because we're going to be away for 6 months. And the one that's due 6 months is actually the one that we're going to do, which is the fuel filter, air filter and compartment filter. This contains what we're about to do now as well.
Okay, so I've got this, what's this called? Ratchet. And I've got to undo this nut here, whatever that's called.
It's the sump plug.
Sump plug. I'm not very good with names. And then take this off and hopefully catch the oil. Okay, we can do this. Could do with a pillow for my head. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Oh, that didn't go in the angle I thought it was going to go in.
Everywhere. Yeah, maybe I should have got you to loosen it a little bit at a time. Okay.
Yeah. So next time, don't pull the whole thing out at once.
Yeah, it's...
The camera's not even on it.
Unless you've got a bigger drain. Otherwise you end up having to clean up the street. The clean-up operation. We are just waiting for the last drops to finish dripping out of the sump, and then we'll change the oil filter. Well, it's going to be a bit more messy now.
Face planted the ground on the GoPro. This is going to be a how not to do it.
Yes. Yeah, clean-up's going to be a bit of a nightmare.
That's right. Okay, so we've got to get this off.
Hold on, let me just point up there. That's the oil filter.
Oh, I'm turning it the wrong way again.
Yeah. and it should come off. I had to hit it with a bit of force because I was missing my
There we go.
removal tool.
So we check the rubbers come with it.
Yeah, we check the covers come off with it. There we go.
And the rubber's there.
The rubber's there, so now we can prepare the fresh one. Okay, there we go. I told you this would be dead easy, Karen. Anyone
You
can
said
do
it would take 10 minutes, so we've been at it for about half an hour.
Yeah, well,
And look
25
at the
minutes was
mess.
cleaning the oil we spilt.
Okay, so here's the new filter. Nice and clean.
Yeah.
No holes in it. So we're going to put some oil in here.
Yeah, you don't need to, but we're just going to fill a little bit, and then we'll put a little bit around the. You need to put a little bit around the filter edge. Oh no, not that much.
No, I'll wipe it with my finger. Oh, put that over there so we don't knock it over.
Yeah.
Then you've done it.
And we need to get a bit more kitchen roll.
So,
Like that. Yeah.
okay.
A little bit around the edge. Yeah. And then we go underneath and put it back on.
There.
Can you see it? Would you prefer to come round this side? Would you like me to do it from this angle and get it started?
Yeah, maybe.
Right. Okay. Right. There you go. So it's
Yep, that's tight.
that's tight. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, and then the next step is, I know we can still see little drips of oil out there, but it's time to put the what I'm going to do is take the cover off the we left the cover on the oil, and that'll let the air out, and then maybe that'll get the last little bit of oil out.
Okay, so I'll undo the oil cap from inside. Oh, I might need to do my yoga today. There, dog.
There we go, that looks lovely.
Looks oily.
Yeah.
So, where's the new bolt thing?
Let's get that sorted now.
Okay. Okay, so we've turned the ratchet the other way around, so it does it up, not undoes it. We've checked that it's still a 13mm and that it's got the rubber on it. So this is the new one.
Yep.
There's the old one. But we're going to put the new one on.
Yeah, we might have got away with just the washer, but the kit comes with it, so let's use it.
Let's do it.
Okay. I'll try not to make as much mess this time.
So I need to wipe it with a bit of kitchen roll first.
I don't think so. Well, you could. I don't think it matters. But then I said that about how fast to open it, so...
Yeah, I might just trust my gut instinct this time.
So you should be able to tighten it hand tight all the way.
Yeah, that's as tight as it can go with my hand.
Yeah, and then just a little bit, I mean we could use the torque bar for this, but I think just a little bit of hand pressure, just enough to tighten.
Move that out of the way.
That's with the, yeah, not too tight, just a little smidge.
Yep, do you want
Yeah,
to
that'll
test
do.
that, see?
No, that'll do.
Yeah.
That'll do. We'll check it in a few miles. Okay, so that's that done.
So I'm just going to wipe off some of that oil.
Yeah. And be able to tell if it's easy to tell if it's...
There we go.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Okay, so we've put a little funnel in there just so we don't spill it everywhere. I think we've spilt enough oil today.
I think you might want to be doing it from the angle that I'm at. Right, are we ready?
Yep. So this is 1 litre going in. So we've got, I've still managed to spill it even with a funnel.
Right, hold on, let me go and get the
It's just,
kitchen roll before it. It's further. So it's 6.3 litres, and this is the first litre. And our little funnel was contaminated with some tissue paper that I tried to wipe it with, so I had to get a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to prepare it. No, you just pull that.
pull the top.
Pull it up. Yeah, pull it up. I better get the kitchen roll ready. Hold on.
Yeah, because that's...
Yeah, hold on. Let me get the kitchen roll ready. Because I think we might make a...
Yeah, I might make a mess with this one.
Maybe I should have got a big... Oh, yeah, there you go.
That's 6 litres in. So we've got marks on the side here for every 100.
Yeah, I need to look at this in again.
That's not quite at the 8, it's a bit more.
Yeah. I think that's it.
I think that's
300, isn't it?
Yep. Okay.
We need some kitchen roll with a bit of escaped.
Let's put the cap back on. Oh, we should really pull the dipstick, shouldn't we? See the level.
Well, I don't think it's worth it until you actually run it, but pull it and clean it. Ooh. Right. Right. Fire the engine up for a bit.
Yeah, let's just have a look where we are.
What's it giving us? So clean you can't see.
Yeah, you can see it on there.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. That'll be light.
Okay. Now I'm scared. Turn it on and see what happens. Well, the oil light went off.
Probably a good sign. I've got an OBD reader so we can maybe check the oil pressure, but I think we'll know for sure. But this is really just to get it circulating and then we'll take it for a run, but it's getting too late in the day now. Our oil clean-up operation delayed us a little bit.
Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. For the first time I've ever changed oil in anything, apart from the chip pan.
Well done you. We did it.
We did it. Now we need to clear up.
Yeah. Oil slick operation is not quite finished yet.
Mission complete.